In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code generating app using React.js in just 4 minutes. This is a simple form. When I write anything, the QR code is generating in the right side. I'm using Next.js. If you want, you can use React.js only. This is a new project. And here is the default setup. I'm doing a Google search by typing qrcode.react npm. I'm copying the command, installing it. It is installed properly. I am creating a components folder. Inside the components folder, I am creating a component RAFCE, and I am pasting a simple form. It is just a design. It is not so difficult, and you can find all the code in the description box. It is time to implement the functionality. First of all, I am calling the React use set hook. Make sure it is imported from React. By default name will empty, and the email also empty. I will write an onset function to get the form data. I'm using arrow function. You can use the regular function also. I'm passing E as a parameter. I need to get the name and the value actually. Set from data, previous data, name, it will value, now I will call the function value, it will from data name on change handle change. Now I'm copying it and pasting in the email field and change the name with email. I'm checking whether the form data is getting or not. I got an error because in the server component I used use stat. I need to convert it into the client component. Now I'm getting the form data properly. It is time to displaying the QR code. If from data.name or from data.email, it will show the QR code, or it will empty. I'm passing some props. Value json.stringify, form data size will 128, include margin, it will true. Now my QR code is generating correctly. I want to style the UI more. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.